Hello there and welcome to Motivational Monday. And today we're talking about nature. I motivate you to enjoy nature for 5 minutes. Doctors and scientists say exposure to nature makes you feel better emotionally. But physically reduced blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. Ask me.
Yeah, but Joey, we live in Florida, so it's easy for us. What if you don't live in Florida?
Oh, true, but there's a lot more ways to enjoy nature than this. Maybe the weather is not good. Maybe it's raining and maybe it's snowing. But here's some tips to make you have fun inside. If you can't go out, you can go out. You can go to the window and see inside for 5 minutes. And you can take plants and flowers inside. Or you can watch something like this for 5 minutes. I want you to enjoy 5 minutes of nature whenever you can. It'll be healthy for you and me.